Right, doing this again from bed because the last play didn't have the audio recorded and I can't be fucked to get all set up again.
But I see.
So, what we're going to talk about? We're going to talk about finding the domain, we've got to check domain, and then we're going to buy the domain. So, when you're finding a domain, it's always best to get a domain that's been expired, and then it already has the backlinks and all the checks. So, if you can find a domain that's already expired, uh, you're better off for the future if they're trying to rank it on Google. It's a lot easier. So to find that, you go to expireddomains.net. Click on that, and you can search any niche. But what I'm doing is I'm going to build a website for lead generation. This is going to be the first video in the series, and I'll build the site up and see if we make any money from it. So, what domain do we want? Oh shit. Can't spell. Financial services. I've already done research in keywords and everything like that, so kind of know what I'm after. Always click on backlinks, see what has the highest backlinks. They're all pretty low with this. But what I've done is gone for financial services Australia. Go for the Australia niche. Has a few backlinks, everything like that. Built in 2007, so it's got the age to it. And then what you want to do, you want to check the domain all the time just to see if it's worth purchasing in the first place. So I go to Majestic. I'm going to be using all free tools as well in this. So if you go to Majestic, I think you're allowed like 3 searches a day. Let's check Majestic. So with Majestic, it gives a trust score. Oh, bollocks. I gotta log in. Looks like I need to log in, my bad. If I remember the password. 637296. Nope. Login. That sucks. I can't remember the password. So basically all you got to do is just type the domain in there. Comes up with the trust score and citation score. You want the trust score above 10. I'll show you a clip of the other video which didn't record the audio, so you can use that. So after checking Majestic, I go on to Ahrefs and check the backlinks on here. This is also a free tool. Yep. So the domain rating's pretty low, but at least it has some. Got a few backlinks and a few referring domains, but this is the important part. So you want to check that the referring domains are actually relevant. A lot of the times the domains will be like Chinese writing and stuff like that, which gives you no SEO. It actually hurts you. So it's pointless getting something like that unless you're going to clean it up. But this, it has actually Australia, business, all stuff like that. So it's actually quite good. You can also check SEMrush and do the same thing with that, but I've already done it. So when you purchase the domain off here, you can click on any of these and go for it. But I always go into Namecheap because it usually is the cheapest one. And then when you years up to renew it, it's actually still quite a cheap price. If you go with like GoDaddy, they bump the price up because they know that you're going to have to pay for another year basically. So I've actually already purchased this domain in the other video that got cancelled. So I don't know if it will appear anymore because I have bought it. But when I did buy it and click through it, it was only $2. See if it still comes up. Hopefully it doesn't. Yeah, I've already bought it, so you can make me an offer and buy it if you really want to. So yeah, it only cost me $2. So that's the process. So you go to expired domains, find the niche what you're looking for, check if the domain's any good, and then purchase it on Namecheap for usually about $7 or $8. This one was only $2. And then in the next video, I'm going to show you how to set it up on your hosting platform, build WordPress website, and then we'll start getting some content, see what traffic we can get. Cool guys, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.